Hey guys, Andrew King here. Welcome to Stuff My Inbox review. I'm here inside the members area and today I'm gonna give you a full overview and a demo. I'm also going to show you what the prices in upsells are and how much all this costs. And on top of that, I got some really cool custom made juicy bonuses for you guys to help you get the best out of your Stuff My Inbox purchase. Now, in a nutshell, Stuff My Inbox, it's a brand new system that once you get into this system, you're gonna get your own affiliate link or your own Stuff My Inbox website. You can start referring people, and once you refer them, they're gonna be asked to do some simple tasks like fill in their email and maybe pick up a ClickBank product that doesn't cost way too much. So the basic idea behind this is they're gonna participate in a contest to win an Xbox 360. You don't have to send them the Xbox. This is all done by the vendor. So all you have to do is refer people to your affiliate link and you're gonna be able to get all those leads, and you're gonna be also able to collect commissions during this process. All you have to do is refer people using your affiliate link. Now, if you are interested to get a more in-depth look inside of Stuff My Inbox, please stick with me during this review. I'm gonna break down everything for you. Now, if you want to pick up Stuff My Inbox anytime during watching this review video, just click on the link down below in the description. If you are watching on YouTube, if you came from my email, you would already be on here. Just scroll down and click on one of these green buttons. Only then you'll be taken to the sales page and click on one of these green buttons as well, and you can pick up your copy of Stuff My Inbox. Now, why do you want to do that? Because you're going to be able to access all my exclusive bonuses free of charge and instantly delivered to you once you pick it up via my bonus page. You can pick it up starting from the 19th of July at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and you have to pick it up before the countdown timer on my bonus page hits 0, because once it does, all my bonuses will disappear and so will this page, and I don't want you to miss out on my bonuses. I spend a lot of time gathering these bonuses to make sure that they are the perfect fit for Stuff My Inbox to help you get the max out of it. Now, my first bonus is going to be access to my mega bonus bundle. This is the first time I'm giving this away. This is basically priceless. I'm going to give you access to all the license rights to Brandon's products from 2019 up to 2020. More than 30 products. You're going to get 100% commission throughout the funnel. This is just my first bonus in my mega bundle. You're going to get access to this, and you're going to be able to sell all his products as your own. You're going to get access to Take It Pro, Urgency Suites Pro, Calltail Pro, and all this good stuff. I'm not going to waste your time and read them to you. You can pause the video and check them out. And you're also going to get access to all this good stuff. Plus, there are more bonuses right here with the 5 done for you high ticket funnels. You're gonna get all these are priceless as my first bonus. This is just my first bonus, and all you have to do is pick up the front end. You don't need to pick up any of the upsells, and you'll be able to access this priceless bonus. My second bonus is gonna be access to Breakthrough. This is a full course from Trevor Carr and Jonas Lindgren, and they are currently selling this for $1,000. Believe me, just open a new tab in YouTube and type in Breakthrough and click on one of the links in the description of that video, and then you'll be taken to the sales page and you can view that this is selling for $1,000. I'm giving this to you as my second bonus free of charge, because this is a full-on training teaching you everything they know about affiliate marketing. I like to over deliver in my bonuses, so I gave you my mega bonus bundle and Breakthrough as my first 2 bonuses. My third bonus is going to be a hack on how to promote Stuff My Inbox using Facebook. I'm going to show you on how to promote this using the free traffic way, which is Facebook. I know what you are thinking. You're thinking that I'm going to show you on how to spam Facebook groups. No, we're not gonna do that. I'm gonna show you on how to get buyer traffic, add them as your friends, and offer them value. Then you can invite these buyer friends and send them through your Stuff My Inbox website or referral link, and you'll be able to promote it easily. Please excuse the noise in the background. Let's continue with my fourth bonus, which is gonna be 5 hidden traffic sources to use with Stuff My Inbox. I'm gonna show you the 5 best hidden high quality traffic sources to use with Stuff My Inbox. I'm pretty sure that you never heard about you have never ever heard about these traffic sources. I'm gonna reveal them to you. Most of these super affiliates are hiding these from you because they generate commissions using these traffic sources. And my last bonus is going to be access to all the vendors bonuses. These are the bonuses that the vendor gave to me to give to you. I'm not sure what these bonuses are, but what I do know is that most other affiliates are offering these bonuses alone. I have gone above that and gave you access to all these extra bonuses delivered to you free of charge and instantly. You can check around and shop around and see what other affiliate are offering in terms of bonuses. Once you realize that my bonus package is the best one, you can come back to this video and click on the link down below in the description. Come through to my bonus page, click on one of these green buttons, and you'll be able to go to the sales page and pick up your copy and get all my bonuses free of charge. Now, to claim these bonuses, really simple. Just go to your Warrior Plus dashboard. Let me just log in right here. I'm gonna wait for it to log in. Yeah, once you log in to your Warrior Plus, once you pick it up via my bonus page, just go to Bono or your username here. Hover over it and click on purchase history. Once you do that, just find Stuff My Inbox. I'm just gonna find a product that contains bonuses. So this one right here, let's say this is Stuff My Inbox. Once you click on it, you're gonna be able to access Stuff My Inbox, and you're also gonna be able to access your affiliate bonuses. All you have to do is click here and you'll be able to access all my bonuses free of charge and delivered to you instantly once you pick it up. Now, these bonuses are exclusive to me and they are not gonna be available through anybody else's link apart of mine. So bear in mind, you have to pick it up via my bonus page or else you're not gonna get my mega bonus bundle. Now let's jump right to the sales page before we take a look inside the members area. Done for you software harnesses the world's first best way to make money online, $700 daily and hundreds of leads with the 30-second trick I use to stuff my inbox on autopilot. A brand new one-click super app does 100% of the work for you. We have the video sales letter and we have the button where you can pick it up. We have some urgencies. We have some bullet points right here. We have some steps that you need to do: purchase, activate, and collect your commissions. Some proof.
It literally works every single time without fail.
The video. We have some info here about the product owner. Let me just show you. This is the product owner, which is Brian Winters. He's a really great guy. He always creates these great systems to help people make money online. He has helped tons of people to start their online journey and bank up to $500 per day. As you can see, he makes over $200,000 per month as a vendor and more than $100,000 in revenue as an affiliate. So he knows what he's doing. He has made over $1 million on Warrior Plus. We have some more info, some more case studies, some more proof, and all that good stuff. Testimonials, and you can check out the sales page. I'm not gonna go through the whole sales page. let's just go into the members area. Once you get access to Stuff My Inbox, you can log in. Now, once you log in, you're gonna be able to activate these plugins. They call them plugins. I call them like upsells. This is like upsells. So you have to take consideration about these plugins, whether you want to pick it on, whether you want to pick them up or not. I'm sorry, my English is not perfect. Please bear with me. Like I said in the beginning of the video, all you have to do is come and copy your link. This is your referral link, and send people to this link. Once you send them to this link, they have to unlock these levels. So let's say they unlock this level. This is the first level. All they have to do is input their email. So let me just type in xyz@gmail.com. This is just an example. And once they click on save, you're going to be able to collect their lead. Now, once they do that, they're going to be able to activate the first level. The second level is going to be they have to put their ClickBank. They create a ClickBank account. So they put their ClickBank nickname right here. Then they have to get this product called Diddly Pay Pro. Now, once they get it, all they have to do is they put their email, and then they click on submit. Once they do that, they're gonna be able to unlock the second module. The third one, or the second plugin, the third one is the same thing. They have to put their ClickBank ID, and they have to unlock the third one and buy this product called Research. And once they do that, they have to submit their email receipt right here and put their the email that they used to purchase. Then they're gonna click on submit and unlock the third level. Basically, you get the idea. And if you unlock these levels yourself, you're gonna be able to get these leads. Once you put your email, you're gonna be able to get all these people's emails that came through your affiliate link or through your website. If you unlock the second level, you're gonna be able to bank all those commissions that came and bought Diddly Pay through your link. The third level, same. The fourth level, I think they're gonna give you some promo tools, so you're gonna be able to promote this through Facebook and Twitter. And the last one is the free paid traffic. So you're gonna get a swipe that you can input into Udemy and run solo ads. These are really cool. You can unlock the first three and start banking leads and commissions. The last two, I don't think you need them, because honestly, these don't matter. They're just gonna give you this image that you can put and share to your Facebook and Twitter. And the last one, they're gonna give you a swipe that you can run solo ads on Udemy. So basically, just go for the first three. Now let's talk about the pricing and the upsells. This is basically the system. As you can see, it's really simple yet so powerful. Now let's scroll down here. Let's talk about the pricing and the upsells. Everything I just showed you inside the members area is gonna cost you $14. You're gonna get access to all these features. Now the SMI's Autopilot Rotator. This is Commission Rotator for $67. This instant upgrade unlocks additional literal autopilot commissions of up to $102 a pop for SMI users. Here's how it works. The SMI system sends you every fifth visitor to any StuffMyInbox.com page into a special fully closed visitor pool, and our backend script automatically distributes the results, leads, and purchases from this pool to OTO number 1 and OTO number 2 takers. Now expect ultra high conversion or ultra high conversions on this never before done upgrade. If you want to pick it up, this is the commission rotator. So they're gonna send the fifth visitor to any of your Stuff My Inbox page into a special, this is like a backend sales funnel. And once they go through the backend sales funnel, you can bank up to $102 if they pick up the whole funnel. This is really great. If you want to pick it up, just go for the $37, which is the discount. Once you are hit with the first upsell, just scroll down, click on no thanks. You'll be taken to the downsell page for $37, which is the exact same thing. Now let's go to the upsell number 2. It's the same thing, but it's the leads rotator. Unlock the new and unique lead generation, sales boosting, and ranking features, and get guaranteed explosion in leads and sales. Use email opt-in, slide-in, pop-ups, and social sharing to grow your business. Again, if you want access to this amazing upgrade, you don't have to pick it up for $67. Just scroll down. Once you are hit with the upsell number 2, scroll down. You're gonna find a link that says no thanks. Click on it, go to the downsell, which is the same exact thing for $37. I think they have downsells for each and every upsell, so you can do this throughout the funnel. Now, the third upsell is gonna be the reseller machine. I haven't yet mentioned that all our OTOs set up in mere seconds by entering an affiliate link or two, blah, blah, blah. You can read this on your own. So basically, you're gonna get an automatic Warrior Plus affiliate links with 100% commission. You're gonna be able to bank 100% commission throughout the funnel. Again, the reseller machine, don't get it for $97, get it for the downsell price of $47. The upsell number 4 is gonna be SMI's instant commission blitz. This customization virtually generates its takers more income with SMI. We have placed 5 featured offers inside all SMI members area. Our system automatically rotates users' affiliates links for these 5 offers across the SMI members, which will result in literal autopilot and commissions. So they're gonna give you five done for you funnels. They're gonna send people through these 5 funnels, 5 featured offers to all the SMI members that you have entered inside your affiliate link, and you're going to be able to bank commissions literally on autopilot. You can get it for $97, which is the downsell price. In the last upsell is going to be the SMI $1,000 paydays machine for $197. No income system is complete without a powerful high ticket backend. So basically they're going to add an upsell, a last upsell, where you're going to be able to bank $1,000. This is a really good upsell, because once people go throughout the funnel, once they reach the back end of the funnel or the last page of the funnel, they're going to be hit with this $1,000 payday funnel or $1,000 payday page, where you're going to be able to bank $1,000 commissions. This is for $197. Again, get it for the downsell price of $97. This was my full review about Stuff My Inbox. If you have any questions, just leave them down below on the YouTube comment section. Again, this makes it a no-brainer for you for the front end, since I'm giving you all these bonuses. Feel free to check around other review videos. Once you realize that my bonus bundle is the most powerful out there, come back to this video and get it through my bonus page. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.